Hi guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you my weekly grocery haul and how I got all this stuff for under $50 using rebate apps, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I use those apps. So if you're interested, make sure to keep watching and let's get started. Alright guys, so I just want to quickly show you my grocery haul for the week. My total after coupons was $63.48 with tax. And then I'm going to show you guys, after I run over everything, how much money I'm going to get back from cash apps like Ibotta and Fetch and Checkout 51. But I just want to quickly show you guys what I got. If you guys have a Meijer by you can pick up some of these deals. Most of them are good all week since it is Sunday, but some of them may expire if you're using the cashback app. So let me just quickly run through everything. So looking at this now, I just realized I got like a ton of drinks, but I'm trying not to drink pop, and so I want to try some new things out. So I got milk. I got a couple different Lactaid. The 96 ounce is what me and my brother like, so I got that for both of us. The Fairlife was $3.49, and then there was a $1 off coupon in the Meijer app. And let me just say, all the coupons that I'm talking about are in the Meijer app. I didn't use any physical coupons, they were all digital coupons. So there was a $1 off, making that $2.49. I then got 2 of these Organic Valley Ultra milk. So this one is the chocolate milk, and then this one is the 2% reduced fat. So these are usually $5. They were on sale for $4.49, I believe. And then there was a $2 off one coupon, so each of them $3.49. And then I'll show you guys later, but there is an Ibotta rebate where if you buy 2, you get $5 back. So that makes them about $1 each, which I thought was a great deal since they're originally $5 and they're lactose free, which is good for me and my brother. So I will show you guys the rebate on that, but I'm happy to try these out. The Go-Gurts here, I got the Simply Go-Gurts strawberry and then the mixed berry and strawberry banana. These were 2 for $4, and then I had a $1.50 off 2, so it took 75 cents off each. So it made each of these packs $1.25, and then I will be getting a rebate back for that, and I'll show you guys that. So I wanted to try out some sparkling waters. I haven't had a good experience with that in the past, but I wanted to try these out, so I got a whole bunch of different flavors. I got these 16-ounce ones. These were on sale for 99 cents. I got the lime and watermelon, and then I got the citrus and green tea. So I'm going to try those flavors out. And then in the 8-packs, I got the blueberry and pomegranate, and then the strawberry and cucumber. So these 8-packs were $3 each, and then I believe I had $1 off of 2 or $1.50 off of 2, so that made them a pretty good deal, and I'm excited to try them out. I hope I like at least one of the flavors here so I can keep buying them instead of buying pop. The last set of beverages that I got were these Capri Suns. So these were $2.39 each, and then I had $1 off 3 coupon, and then I'm going to be getting 25 cents for each pack back on Ibotta. These little Blue Bunny loaded sundaes, I got the strawberry shortcake and I got the chocolate caramel pretzel. These are 8.5 ounce. These were on sale for $2 each, I believe. I have an Ibotta rebate, so I'll be getting some cash back for those. I just got some bananas because we needed some. I got some wheat thins reduced fat. These were just regular price. I got some Mott's fruit snacks. This is the 40 size count because my brother eats them super fast, so we usually just split them, and these were regular price. These Bounce wrinkle guards, so this is the 80 count pack, the unscented kind. These were regular price $6.28. I really wanted to try them out, and there's a rebate back on Ibotta, or a checkout 51, so I just want to try these out. And it also counts towards a Meijer rewards. If you spend $40 on P&G, you get $10 back. I didn't spend $40, but this will count if I end up spending more on my next purchases. So the last little deal I did was on these lean cuisines and life cuisines. So the lean cuisines were 5 for $10, so I picked up 5 of those. I got the 5 cheese rigatoni, I got some spaghetti with meat sauce, and some spaghetti with meatballs for me and my brother to try because we've never had those. I know I like these ones though. And so those were 5 for $10, and then I had a $1 off of 5, so that made them 5 for $9. And then these life cuisines, so I got this cauliflower crust pepperoni pizza. This was $3.50. I didn't have any coupons for it, but I will be getting a rebate back. So let me show you guys what rebates I'm going to be getting back and how you guys can get cash back too on your grocery purchases. So the first rebate app I'm going to be using is Ibotta. So once you get in the app, you'll have these options. You want to hit Meijer. If you went to Meijer, if you went to a different store, you'll obviously hit a different store. So I don't have my Meijer account linked because I find that has more problems. So I just like to upload my receipt. So what I will do is I will take a photo of my receipt. So it says I have six matched offers. So here we have the Blue Bunny. I got 50 cents back for buying 2. The Life Cuisine cauliflower pizza, I have $1 back for buying that. The Organic Valley Milks, I have $5 back for buying 2 of those. The Capri Suns, I have 25 cents back times 3 for buying those. It didn't catch my Lean Cuisine, so let me add that really quick. So if it doesn't verify a certain offer, you just go to verify more offers, scroll down to your offers that you saved, and right here's my Lean Cuisine one. So it'll ask me to scan the barcodes to verify I actually bought it. There it goes. It verified that offer. So I'll get that extra $1 back. So these are all the offers I'm going to get back. So I'm going to get $8.25 for 7 offers. There is also a bonus offer that I had. If I redeemed 4 offers, I got an extra $5 back. So once all these orders are verified, I will get that extra $5 back. So I'm just going to hit collect. It's going to send my receipts, and then it's going to tell me that it's going to verify in like 25 or 24 hours. So there's that. And then let me show you guys. So this is the bonus offer I was talking about. It's the $5 Weekend Warrior bonus. If I redeem 4 offers, I'll get an extra $5. So when that receipt processes, I'll get an extra $5 back. And so that makes a total of what, $13.25. So I'm pretty happy with that, considering I only spent a little over $60. The next app I'm going to use is Fetch. So I don't think I have any specific offers that I redeemed. I wanted to redeem the brownie brittle, but they didn't have it in store. But I still will get some points back just for redeeming my receipts. I'm going to take a picture of that really quick. So I did get some extra points. I got points for the fruit snacks, the Capri Suns, and the yogurt. So I got 120 points, which is like 12 cents, I think, which is not a lot, but you know, it's something. The next app I'm going to be doing is Saving Star right here. So I have a couple rebates. One is you get $5 when you spend $25 on YoPlay. I didn't spend $25, but it will count towards that. And then I also have this one right here. I get $1.50 for buying 2 YoPlays. So let me redeem this. So I verified I bought 2 of those. Now I gotta take a picture of my receipt. So it said it will take 1 to 5 days to process my $1.50 back. The last one I'm going to use is Checkout 51 for these dryer sheets. So I'm going to just redeem this really quick. So there I get my $1.50 back. But let me add this up and tell you guys a total of how much cash back I got. So after adding everything together, I got a total of $16.13 back, and my total was $63.48. So my total after rebates and coupons was $47.35 for everything here, and it looks a hot mess because I've been moving things around, but I think that's a pretty good deal for everything here, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I will link Everything, all the apps will be linked down below, and I think there's a bonus offer. If you sign up for Ibotta, you get $20 back once you redeem your first offer. So all the rebate apps will be linked down below in the description box, so definitely check them out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you on Thursday for another video. Bye.